Steve again from the Steve Henry Show, and coming this Saturday, you're not going to want to miss this one. I know I say that every Saturday, but I really mean it this time. I really do. It is going to be a... Ouch. What? Something. I feel like there's something on me. Ouch. But anyways, this Saturday, it's our annual Halloween party at the Steve Henry Show. That's right. It's going to be so much fun. No $100 bill giveaways, but there's going to be a $700 value game giveaway. That's right. A game for 6 people. That's right. At a Halloween party. So we are going to actually ship the winner the entire contents of the Halloween party. As you can see, we are going to have the ghoulish Halloween fettuccine Alfredo. That is with the sweet potato, pumpkin, carrot, and the blackened chicken fettuccine Alfredo. Now, is that not a plate? This will be presented to you, but when the party comes, you're going to present it in a pumpkin bowl times 6. That's right. Each one of your players will have a bowl of fettuccine Halloween Alfredo. We'll give you the recipe on that and the entire breakdown. But the game goes like this. 6 people are going to be sitting around that pumpkin eating the fettuccine, and we're going to draw a card. Each player gets 3. 3. That's right, 3. So let's say you pick one card. It's a 3. You go into the big pumpkin and you pull out an envelope, and in that envelope might be a $50 bill, might be a $100 bill, don't know. You'll get 3 of these. You'll get 3 cards and 3 reaches in. Pass or play, as the game is called. Because you go to the big pumpkin, and that's going to have 6 envelopes in it. 3 of which are going to have lots in there, and 3 that won't have anything. So it's kind of a guessing game. Pass or play. You got $80 sitting on the table from 3 cards. Do I want to risk it and go for the big one, or do I want to keep my $80? It's a great game. What do I got to do, Steve? What do I got to do? All you got to do is show up Saturday. That's it. Your name is in the comments by 3:30, 4 o'clock, 4:15, 4:20. About 4:20, we're going to pull somebody that's present in the comments. Just say, hey, I'm here, and you're in. We're going to make sure your tag gets in as we spin, and it's going to be a live spin, so nobody's going to lose. I'm going to reach in there at the end of the show, and I'm going to pull out one of the active participants in the Saturday show, and that person is going to get shipped out that following Monday, the game Party of 6 with everything that you need. Compliments of the Steve Henry Show. It's a $700 cash value. How do I get in there twice, Steve? You can get in there twice. That's a great question. And this is how you do it. You refer a friend, a family member, or a coworker. All they got to do is come to the comment section and say, I'm from Mike Teeter. Teeter time. And boom, Billy Bob is in the spin. And Teeter, I'm going to put you in there twice. So you'll have 2 chances better to win than just the normal if you can refer a friend, a family, or a coworker. So you don't want to miss it. All you got to do is show up. That's right. By the way, speaking of showing up, Rick, you showed up. Emily, you showed up. Congratulations. If you notice, they weren't in the comments this Saturday. Very unusual for them, but they had a good reason. They got married. That's right. So we're going to get some pictures. I can't wait to post those, but that's awesome. A little shout out to them. Congratulations. Don't forget the most important part. Our email list is alive and well. Our producer, George Serrano, has put together a wonderful, fantastic list. At the end of every video, you're going to have an opportunity to hit that email list. And again, the reason why, because if we give that Jeep away, we're not going to give it away to a phantom like a ghost. No, we're going to give it away to you. But we need to know who you are. That's right. So if you've already given us your email, that's fine. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. We can never have enough of your contact information, because I want to make sure when I pull that name out in 3 weeks, folks, 3 weeks, I want to know, wow, the response I'm going to say when I say, guess who won? The email list is at the end of every single video. Click it, fill it out as late as you can, even your birthdays. We want to send you something on your birthday. It's amazing. We are givers and lovers of everyone. And let's not forget last week's winners. That's right. We had 5 of them. Candy, you're up there in Washington. Congratulations again. I think that's 2 in a row for you. Nicole, man, you are awesome, Nicole. And Miranda, you won again. Mariah, you're local here. Mariah, you won here 2 weeks ago, and your friend Hatter, they won again too from Tucum Carry. That's right. You 5 won. You'll get your money. It's in the mail this Saturday. You're not going to want to miss. We got so many other announcements to make. The Mo Mugs, they're in production right now. The JB shirt, they're in production right now. So it's not going to be long. And the recipes, chicken fettuccine, that's going to be one. We're going to actually do a demo on this one and show you how that's going to work. But it's going to be fascinating. We are growing in leaps and bounds, and it's because of you, ladies and gentlemen, loved ones. This is your show. I constantly remind you, yes, it originates from him, through me, but to you, it is your show. The Steve Henry Show live on Saturdays at 4 o'clock. You're not going to want to miss it, especially this Saturday. It is the pumpkin all-you-can party, 6 people, pass or play right here at the Steve Henry Show. Don't you dare miss it. I'll look forward to seeing you here there live.